In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Fantastical to Todoist, so your tasks and your calendar events finally live side by side in one clean timeline. It takes about a minute, and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Fantastical, then click it to open its page. Fantastical is a much-loved calendar app from Flexibits, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the Fantastical page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign in and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only grants Fantastical permission to read the tasks you choose to share. Once it's linked, the payoff is immediate. Your Todoist tasks with due dates show up right inside Fantastical, sitting alongside your meetings and appointments. You finally see the whole day in one view instead of bouncing between 2 apps and hoping nothing slips. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and your schedule and your to-do list start working as a single picture of your day. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.